to one another. E-Farm Market, agriculture with new skills. Here is my team members: S. Satyasai Kumar, team leader; V. Sai Kirtana, V. Ramya, and V. Divya. And this project was under the guidance of Chakravarti Sir. Abstract. The majority of the population in India is highly dependent on the agriculture and farming for its survival. The people who are doing agriculture are not aware about the outside world and the technical advancements about the farming. Most of the farmers do not have any idea about the price of the crops, and so they sell their products at very low cost. So we are creating a platform for the farmers through which they can get the real-time updates such as market demand, cost estimation, business challenge, and many more. In the recent day technologies were certainly brought into the smartphones where an application can control anything. So, E-Farm Market is such an application which provides the users to get an online information about the crop, statistical details, weather information, market details, and many more. The main feature of the application includes information retrieval facility for the user from anywhere in the world, and alongside it provides the complete information to the farmers regarding the crops from the initial stage, sowing of seeds, to the final stage of marketing. The basic theme of the project: we provide information about the demand of the crop, estimation price of the crop, and also we suggest the alternative crops according to the market demand and soil type. The next main feature is providing details of the crop in different stages of cultivation and giving appropriate information about the fertilizer, crop disease from the traditional farmers and experienced farmers. Next, we will establish the direct channel for marketing from farmers to the retailers without involving any third party. Information about various crops from the initial stage, type of soil, to the variety of crops, sowing seasons, water requirement, climatic conditions, crop diseases, manuals and fertilizers, and the yield per year. From the initial stage to the final stage, all the information is available. Marketing channels for crops. Already there are many marketing channels in existing for the crops. Farmers decide the crop of the price as 10 rupees per kg. They sell the crop to the village merchant. There the price will increase to 11 per kg. According to the involvement of middleman, the price is again increased to 12 per kg. Then to the commercial agent, here it is 14 per kg. Now to the wholesaler, it is 16 per kg. So finally the retailer is getting rupees 18 per kg. So here is a difference of rupees 8 per kg because of the involvement of all these middlemen. Now what we are doing is we are reducing this business channel to a single channel, that is farmer to the retailer, so that any middleman cannot get any profit and the direct profit will be sent to the farmers. Existing apps. Already there are many existing apps there are already many existing apps in current scenario. The advantages are mainly they are concentrating on selling of fertilizers, biofertilizers and insecticides. It will be giving rating for each product they are selling. The products they are selling includes user manuals, chat option is also there, news option giving current news articles for farmers, video option for watching and tips, and these are some of the advantages of existing apps. And the drawbacks of those apps are chart option is not properly working. Chart option is working but now current updates are available. PDF is not available on offline. We have to access the app only in an online mode. We can't access it in an offline mode. Information provided is not clear. Information is provided but it is not up to the mark. No weather report is available. It is just telling about the seasons of the crops. It is not giving the details about the weather report. Past order history is not available. Just the recent order history is available. Not quickly responding for users. If the users have any issues or complaints regarding any product, they are not responding properly. No channel option for products ordered. There is no channel for products that they have ordered. Delivery time is more. The time of delivery is very much more. This is all about the existing apps that are already in the market. Now this is about our app, E-Farm Market. It gives the complete information about the crop to the farmers from initial stage to the final stage. Future demand of crop, estimated market price of crop is clearly mentioned. According to the market demand, it also suggests alternative crops for the benefits of farmers. With the help of soil type and climatic condition, it also suggests alternate crops which may benefit the farmers in future. It has user-friendly business channel which creates direct platform to farmers and customers. Current information of the crop at different stages updated time to time. It also provides the present market demand and current market price of the crop which farmers want to cultivate. This is all about what we want to do in our app. Further, the working of the app will be explained by my friend.
Welcome to e-farm market. So welcome. So this is the home screen of our e-farm market. We have a login access with a phone number and a password. So farmers can sign up with their information like name, phone number, password, recheck the password, location and the crop they want to submit. So home screen of the app will be consist of crop, buy sell, chat option, weather, newsfeed, videos, my crops and feed. So this will be the setting option of the app. So in the my crop option we have various crops like lychee, mango, paddy, tobacco and etc. So let's go and take an example of lychee. So we will provide all information regarding lychee like type of soil, variety of seeds, sowing season, climatical conditions, water requirements and etc. So here we have we have provided the information of the lychee crop. Next let's go for the mango crop. So same information will be done for the mango crop and the farmers can access with this information. So this is the my crop channel where farmers will fill their details of the crop they want to cultivate. So farmers have to fill select your crop, enter crop per acre, select soil type, select seed type, market price for the quintal, select today's date. So this will be the information will be shown to the farmers. Stage 1 sowing season, stage 2 fruit formation, stage 3 harvesting, quantity of crop produced, estimated market price when the crop will be in the season of harvesting. So current information of the crop at the different stages is updated here. It also provides the present market demand and the current market price of the crop which farmer wants to cultivate, which will help farmers to cultivate the crop or they can go to the alternate crop. This will be the business platform where farmers and retailers or customers can provide their business platform. So this is the buy sell option where farmers have to fill their details like select your crop, price per kg, quantity in kg and send. The details of the farmers which have been sent will be shown here. Like for example mango ₹10 per kg. And the buyers have to fill their details like name, district, phone number, crop name, price per kg, quantity in kg, which customers or the retail customers require. It has a user-friendly business channel which creates platform to the farmers or the customer. No third party is involved. So this is the chat option where farmers can chat with retail customers, farming experts, traditional farmers or to each others. So this is our future goal. Farmers to direct e-farm market and to the retail customer. No third party would be involved. So this is our business plan. Problem statement. In current scenario, farmers are facing lots of problems such as not getting proper yield, no proper rate for the crops, no proper data existing for the similar crops. Due to presence of different varieties of seeds and fertilizers, they are not able to decide which one they have to use and which will give good yield. In case of natural disaster, they are not getting any helping hands from the government. So yeah, we have come up with a solution to build an agriculture information system that provides it users to get an online information about the crops, statistical details, weather forecast, market details, etc. It provides the complete information to the farmers from the initial stage to the final stage. Each and every details and the information is provided in a user-friendly manner. So what is the unique value proposition in our app? So we provide current available similar crops in the cultivation and market stage. Future demand of crop suggestions are available, establishing median between harvest and farmers during harvesting season. If crops gets damaged due to heavy rains or floods, we will provide a median for farmers to the government official, through which farmers can get their compensation. So channels demonstrating the final application to the users, tying up with government or a private agriculture sector. Customer segments will be farmers, retail customers, and daily use customers. So our key metrics is developing our application. Cost structure, it is estimated around 50,000 for the developing of our software application. So existing alternatives are AgriApp, InfoKisan app, Agri Media Video app. So yeah, this is our team member. Myself, team leader S. Satyasai Kumar, my friend V. Ramya, V. Sai Kirtana, V. Divya, and our faculty advisor Mr. B. and C.H. V. Chakravarti sir. So we have developed a user interface module of front-end. Since 1 month we are working on this project. So let's go and watch it.